Hi car friends, in this video I will show a short unboxing of car wash, detail products that I bought. Can't wait to try them out, a video will come soon showing that. The first product, I haven't tried before. It's the King Arthur Premium Microfiber Wash Mitt. It is supposed to be very gentle, durable and a versatile washing glove. The second product is a very good asphalt solver. It removes asphalt stains, salt, tar stains and other petroleum-based particles on the car. The good thing is that it works both on wet and dry surfaces. The third product, and the one I'm most excited for, a easy-to-use quick seal from Gyeon, the Gyeon Q2M Wet Coat. It's supposed to give a very good hydrophobic effect. It's very simple to use, just spray when the car is still wet and then rinse off. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, I am thankful for all the support I get. Write a comment and I will get back to all of you.